Binanggit mo yung gap nyo. Matagal yung gap nyo ni Piolo.
Hindi naman.
Siguro,
Samba.
siguro mga 4 years lang siguro.
Okay. Regarding anong matter ba yun? Friendship,
Yung,
Friendship matters. Bakit kayo nagkaroon ng gap?
yung gap namin.
Oo.
Okay. Akala ko sa edad.
Hindi.
Sorry kasi magkapatid kami dito.
Nagkaroon ba
so I
kayo
thought
ng
you were
gap?
asking.
Yung tampuhan, ganon.
Yeah, kasi siguro 4 years, 5 years na ako niya tinutulungan or parang he wanted me to grow as a Christian. But I was still a ninja Christian ng time na yun. Parang I would just go for the benefits of and the perks. You know, I wasn't reading scripture, I wasn't taking it seriously, diba? As I said, I only took it seriously after jail and rehabilitation. That's when I read the Bible and took God seriously. And then he took me seriously, that's why I have a really good project. And then yun, nag-reconnect kami ni Mr. Piolo Pascual. No matter what, you know, he's my brother and he's a nice person. I respect him so much. So yun lang yun, I think may hangganan. Pati nga pamilya ko po nung time na yun, sumuko sa akin, sumurrender sa akin yung industriya, mga kaibigan. So kasama na dun yun. But, you know, God is so faithful. So, when I really took it to heart that I really wanted to change my life, turn a new leaf in 2019, I got this call. And now we have Moro coming out on July 19 sa Netflix. Asia Pacific. Please support our film. It's a cool film.
Pero Baron, ano pang ibang mga projects mo ngayon? After, please,
Yes,
tell
I have
us.
a movie we're shooting in a couple of days with Direct Kathy Camarilla of Pocket Media, and also we're tied to a Korean production company. So we'll be shooting next month in Korea. I'll be with Sir Tirso Cruz III and Cedric Juan and many more. So it's a really awesome assassin action movie.
So sobra-sobrang blessing na natanggap mo after. Sabi mo kasi you prayed for a miracle, di ba?
Yeah.
Kay Lord.
Then would have known this kontrabida guy magkakaroon ng mga bida roles, love story like yung Dearly Beloved sa amin ni Christine Reyes na tumagal ng more than 2 weeks sa sinihan. And then
Congratulations.
Sa na rin siya Netflix.
Okay, thank you.
So, thank you so much.